Yo, people, my daughter, she can't sing, you know? She can't sing like her man, she can't harmonize, she never put the harmony in them funny.
Yeah.
What we say? Fish like a fried fish.
Hey, yeah.
Goat like a curry goat. Goat. You hear that?
Alright. Don't know the thing setting up.
Yeah.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
What's up, guys? Welcome to RASH and NIQUE. Welcome to the Sunday vibes.
You don't know.
Me and drink the tea, just eat, cause we are cook Sunday dinner now. What you cook, baby? What?
Go. Well on baby. You see a black and white too, you know. But just realize, you know.
Twin, where have you been?
Been right here. Right here.
Yes, guys, so we just...
Yeah, man, we're just there, you know.
Yeah.
I go and tune in and I do the right thing. I don't know. Yeah. I dare me to cook some.
Another day we cook some fish.
Another fish me I cook.
Yeah.
Yo, no.
No fish that are around here, so.
No. She just done yam fish. I talk about, babe, you know, some of them too much fish. Though.
You know I love seafood,
like,
so not bother with it.
Like, we can't fry too much. So me I say, babe, we not cook goat. Yeah, but that's more two fish. What? Me, you know, me no cook if me no buy for cook.
You might talk the truth today.
All right. Yes. Me take it camera now. Yeah, I talk about. So me I say, babe, we have goat. 5 pounds of goat we cook. Fit 2 away alone. And she and 4 pounds.
See, no, you can't back to your own way. Okay, you think you change. What you change? Yeah, man, so we just box off the rest of the fish from yesterday.
Yeah.
And 3 pieces of festivals and some plantain. Yeah, so I time to cook now.
Yeah, you see that?
I mean, I do the gunga, you know, people.
Yeah, she always do the gunga because I like how she deal with Shelly, you know what I mean? Yeah. I don't like to me can't do it, but I just like how she do it. You see
just like how I like, there's things that me can't do what him do, but I just like the way how him deal with it. So right. I just like it.
Alright, you don't know the things. You see me I say? Yeah.
Like curry chicken.
So, so now me. Fire no one. Yeah. Go and talk to me, go get the goat front of pen.
So people him season up the goat and everything, clean up the goat, season up the goat from last night, so you know the goat well soaked and yeah, you know it's nice. Yeah, and so I'm gonna get the goat and thing. But I just feel like I eat one more of the fried fish. I just love when him do the fried fish. Like him, I just love how my baby do fish, period. Fried fish, roast fish, steamed fish, any type of escovitch fish, every type of fish I can think of, him know for deal with it. Oh, sorry. So yeah. So yeah, people, we're there on the Sunday day. Today is such a wonderful day. I wake up, you know, I spend a little time with God and do what I do and meditate and yeah, I feel nice, I feel happy, I feel peaceful. And I'm there with my family, I'm just happy. Yeah, I love that. I love that for me. I love that for us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm still going there, so now. I'm telling you, I'm seasoning up the goat from yesterday. So I'm still going with that goat that look pretty big. Yeah, man, that goat that look good, babe. Not lie.
Nobody watch. Say, uno say one more curry. Me know me I do. You see, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Trust me, remember say I use the goat kingdom of cool runnings, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. Them know. You have to tell them. Hey, man, you're turning a goat, you know.
Yeah, man, so you don't know the things that you know. But just, when I just cook for yourself.
Yeah.
That's why. So, I don't like me can say, boy, I saw me do it and I saw if you do or no. But just do it for yourself. And for you do anything you do for yourself.
It have to turn out great.
Yeah.
Cause greatness in all the making. You just have to be patient. And why? Hold them, Rash, hey. Hold them, hey. Hold them, why? Hold them, hey. Hold them. Sunday vibes. Sunday vibes. Sunday vibes, hey. Sunday vibes. Why? Watch them up on my crocs.
Yeah. You see our foot big?
But from my saying, so you heel back and hang over my things.
No.
No, but watch it. When you push up your heel back, the toe hang over.
Yo.
You know, easy,
You want to make the people that talk about after me have big foot. Don't know the things that you know.
Nah, it's good for you have big foot.
I know.
Cause you know them say about big foot.
I don't know.
People have no behavior, you see how I'm a behave? And that's how we get that the one there in there, so.
Hi guys!
Yeah, Yuri that you know, Yuri work on him project, him have a school project. And him wait name there. Let me come check out your project.
Solar system. I just gotta write down the materials that I'm using.
So Yuri, yeah? So Yuri project came to the
We
solar
got the
system.
sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars.
You know what that nice?
Saturn, Uranus,
If you put
Neptune.
some stars on the black part.
I mean, I could, but
Yeah.
you know how I would do it like with paint. Get on the paintbrush and
Oh, use the grandma have some one silver marker thing. You could have used that. Put on the star then.
Where's that? Isn't it in there?
Yeah, I think it's another place there. Yeah, so you really work for, no, not in the site there. When she comes, she give you. Cause I don't know exactly which part. But yeah, you really just work on him project. Devi, I don't know which part she does. She probably still hibernate. But don't know Rush. Chef boy Rush is in the building. Yeah, that's my baby. That's my baby, everybody. That's my king. My everything. Yeah. Love him, messy people. I don't sometimes have to cuss him because he trouble me. I love him though. You know I love you, baby.
Every day.
Every day. Yeah. So when they are start out, me they are gonna do some work. I'm ever working on a network, you know. So do something on the laptop real quick and come back, come check on you.
Oh, I mean, no rest of me, I'll show you my drop in my goat.
Yeah, man, of course. We're bringing up on the Sunday vibes when they're done there already, so we're gonna show on everything. You understand? Yeah, so just stay tuned.
You don't know, garlic, curry. And this name, burn your curry. Yeah. Smell that, boy?
Smells lethal nice.
Come on, burn your curry down. See me. Wanna smell it?
Smell.
Wanna smell it?
Daddy, you know what it smell like? Smell like the best food out.
So
nice.
Oh man, oh yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's like you're gonna burn it, but you're not bunny up. You see it now? Them I go.
Yeah, there's a difference.
Yeah.
Between burn and bunny.
That covered them for your coffee.
I come to do last night.
Yeah. Go on now, man, get in now. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Wash out my seasoning with little water and then, you know what I mean? And lock it down to get the aroma from the mess.
It smells so good, it smells like it cook.
Alright.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do that now. That kangaroo?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited for the food.
Watch out.
I'm hold on.
Wow. You can still go fresh, the meat.
I put salt on it, not fresh.
Sure. I have the fresh to my meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, the meat look proper. Alright.
Right, you know.
And now it's gonna simmer down.
And then you don't know how goat kinda toughish sometimes. Sometimes some of them soft.
I mean, I think that one not tough though. It look like it look like it tough.
You know, it smells like a real ramen, so probably all kinda hardish away, but you don't know the thing set. You know what I mean? And then you don't know Queen are gonna deal with it. They go rice and peas. I made a plant and I go do
Fresh salad.
And I go, oh, and long belly I go want fish and all these things. So I take out the fish now.
But don't want me don't name long belly.
Alright, Nique I want fish and Nique how much fish you want again?
One fish.
Oh, one fish.
Move from yourself.
Yeah. Pick up on yourself, you know, you don't know. Like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. Rash and
Nique is here. That's right.
Yeah.
And you is here too.
Yeah, you gotta subscribe, like, share, and comment. Because you already don't know the thing, and I'll shoot up to the star. Shoot. Yeah. Go.
I fight after I say your father fight the people that when you say attack him in the shots and time jump on the car.
We reach it 1,000 yet?
Yeah.
So you don't know we reach 1,000 now, so we have to get to 100K so we get the plaque. And once we get the plaque, and then we'll go all the way up to the diamond plaque. 10 million.
Yeah, the millions.
Yeah.
Millions.
Yeah. Hey.
Watch out.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm such a jumpy bunny. Watch me, I'm gonna touch that little thing.
Okay.
Can jump on this, daddy?
Okay. Me too.
Eh? Go on. No, go around and jump now.
Come, mommy.
Alright, watch her now.
Watch out.
Mama, look, this is how you gotta prepare your jump.
You see? That's why the ups up couldn't hold we in the apartment. We didn't need a house. Because they want to run up and down. You see me I say? But I don't know the thing, you know.
This how you
They come over link up back again. Down. Alright. Like I say, boy, she can't bother with the real gungo. The dry one. And thing. So she said, alright, let's pick up 2 gungo. 3 gungo she pick up still. When she ready, I know watch her. In a coconut milk, we never see this yet. But I say go. I don't wonder, we care about that still. So she did have one already. So she go and bunk. So see me? So she start her gungo now. I don't know if I me. But I make sure know say how she do the gungo and also gungo do. The dry gungo. You have to just soak it overnight. And then boil it. That's why you do it.
You don't do real gungo, the dry gungo. We just don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it?
No.
Why it take too long or what?
We just don't like it.
Why make you not like it?
We don't know.
Yeah, don't know the thing set.
Don't make me laugh.
Yeah.
I'm not laughing.
Me I laugh though. You don't have to laugh. But it's easy.
No, I laugh with you.
You don't know how the things set.
You don't know the thing set. Cause when I just say, you know your people must say, that you need can cook. Them brighty baby.
And the way how you wiggle
baby?
jiggle when me say me a cook.
No, when me I said at them at them say so all I go. Me hear when they say all I go.
And you not defend me. You not defend me.
So you know me just say yo wanna so bright and out of order. And that's how my wife can cook.
And knock if you not them.
Not them I miss that. Not them.
You can't make nobody come diss up your baby.
Yeah.
What kind of style that?
Goat sir. You don't know the thing said. To the goat.
Man are you?
Oh yeah. So babe, I never tell her all the while I say to her, say, yo, you know the woman thing, you know what I mean? I can't deal with that. Our family thing and thing. Now I tell her from what there. With a business, right now, I different man, woman, boy, child, family, anything at all. I different my baby. Right.
Here, poo.
Yeah. Cause they might take you for one piece of puppy show. I might take you for eat that. No, no more. No more.
Them things say. They want to take me for
Them things say. Them things say.
Them things say.
Them coulda get where. Yeah, don't know the things said. And it's on the vibes up and running.
Up and running.
I'm sure them.
I peel my garlic, people.
Yeah.
Put it on me.
I don't feel say thin garlic she use need that you know. You don't know the thing. Go up on the side there. Yeah.
Don't come where I can walk up stab the tea.
Yeah. And a thin garlic my baby I use you know.
Fresh.
Yeah,
garlic.
fresh. And see that? Real pepper no.
Yeah.
Can nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that? Nothing else
So
can.
move up.
Yeah.
I don't know yet from the can go.
Yeah. Yeah, you funny too.
Alright, next time I do the real one.
Yeah, real one. Alright, here was the next thing. Make me do the gungu, the real one.
No, you cannot do no gungo here. Yeah, the gungo girl.
But you don't like the real one. Remember do it.
Alright.
Yeah. Next time, we do the next time she does a hold the camera. And me just do everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. What? What?
Nothing.
Oh, so we want to say no?
Say what you feel for sex. Say what you feel for sex.
Lock off the camera for you. Yeah, see them there? Tell her what she said she want. Yeah, so them there. And then our 5 one a goat. Baby. And our three pound of rice.
Hold on, this thing is playing right here. So I was editing the video.
I never asked for that. I tell you, come showing it.
You never asked me what may I tell them.
Oh,
When I chat to you.
okay. But think I'm going to talk to.
Right. You work up yourself with me.
You see me? Real coconut milk. You want to Nick, I climb a coconut tree.
Me?
I said, babe, they want to good. And I kick off it. So, may use it. No, I never do that for you. Use the water there.
Which water?
Yes.
Shine bright like
Maybe
a diamond.
it for the coconut and the goat.
Oh, shine bright like a diamond. Yeah.
Sing out.
Yeah. I mean.
Crisp like a fry fish. Crisp like a fry fish. Crisp like a fry fish. Curry like my curry goat.
Wow.
Gungu like my gungu peas.
Yeah.
Yo! Link up. Anybody have a studio? Link up. We're ready to vice this. How are baby? Baby, make me feel away now. How are
Nothing, baby.
Link up. Hey, remember, my money if you can pay for your studio time. Just link up. Anybody have studio? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gungu with the gungu peas. Fish like a fry fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goat like a curry goat.
Goat.
Don't put me on that.
Yo, go and pick
Baby, you
up.
have to do the arm and leg.
I can't read.
You have to do the arm.
Looking at the bed.
Yo, people, my daughter, she can't sing, you know. She can't sing like her mother, she can't harmonize. She have to put the arm on them funny.
Yeah.
What we say? Fish like a fried fish.
Hey, yeah.
Goat like a curry goat. Goat. You hear that?
Alright. Don't know the thing setting up.
Yes.
Link on the back later. You hear? Cause be a mad people in the house. Yeah, you don't know. Next one again, though. The thing I set up here. See it there? The rami that. I don't know. The shelly rice. You see me? And I have some plantain around here. I mean, I don't have a fish we go fry for Nick. I don't know the thing set. You see me? So. Oh, and Nick at work. I don't know the thing set. The year hungry, in belly long so. and can't wait. Devi have her plate already. I say shit. I just she want to eat out that. Hey, yo. So go on. Yeah, I mean, just go and tune in.
For watching me now, I'm live, right?
Go and tune in, man. I show you everything what I go on, man. You see me? I go to soon. Can move from here so now. Put you over there so and get a spot for the fish. You know what I mean? And which is right. Cook for the family. You know what I mean? Cause friends say cook, me just say wow. That's so me love you cooking.
Boy.
Yeah. Cook wow. So many. So many, you know, baby. Cook wow. Yeah. But me know. I never work for people again and cook for nobody again. I do for my family. Can't manage a restaurant thing. That's too hard. So a little bit of a chum shade. You know what I mean? Yeah. You better me do it for free for nothing at all. Cause I get love from my son and my daughter. What?
I don't know, I'm a Chinese man. His name Kukwa. Chinese man.
I say Kukwa?
Yeah.
Chinese?
Yeah.
Hey, no easy boy. How we are called Chingwa?
You.
Chingwa. Kukwa. Yeah. They run go road. I talk about this and that and all them something there. And come back with this and all kind of something.
And him never for food. Yeah. And I give it none.
But anyway.
Him and his mother-in-law.
Yeah. Tita now.
Spiritual food me that eat one another.
Alright. Tita. See finally, Tita. So you don't know what we're going on. I shirt mummy one. Then NIQUE one. And then the rest of people them have to start out themselves them one, right? Right, baby? But sure your one and mommy one and everybody else upon them one.
Yeah, you better know. Watch him. And people, if he said he want a little lip, he not want it from the tube, he want it off of my lip.
Yeah. I might tweet. See me squeeze that so and it just comes up. Watch out.
Right. I look like a boy today, y'all.
And you sound like that too.
No,
earlier.
I don't.
Yeah. Devon, you're real.
No, I don't.
What am I trying to do?
I sound like a boy too. Cause I said I look like a boy today, y'all.
She sound like a boy.
You sound like
No, in the car, earlier in the car, there was like.
Sorry.
How you doing, me, mama? It's time.
And then me have salad with me do. Yeah, I mean fresh salad. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Don't know the thing said.
Girl, you don't need no dang on carrot.
Where did I say daddy?
I said in the car, we were like, y'all ready to eat? And she was like she sounded like a boy. She was like, yeah.
Wow,
And she
that's
had
so
to,
pretty.
She's like, yeah.
You ready? You're being warned, you ready? And no phones at the table. Warned. I mean, for us, you. And then it's flat. Alright, you choose your conversation. We have to talk about. I want to talk about. You have to look different. Yeah, I'm queen. Yeah, eat every green tonight. Yep. Okay, mom's gonna get me. Yeah?
I think them and I have to look for the food. She's too bad out of the river, but I'm here, but she's not left.
You don't go away with business. When I took one of the vlogs, I'm Tisha watch. I'm gonna say, uh-oh, mama's gonna get me. Tisha laugh.
wait, that's something wrong.
No, I mean, that's sometimes like, uh-oh, mama's gonna get me. I'm gonna go, wait, that's what you mean. I was like, uh-oh.
Alright. You see? You see it go? You see? Alright, you see mommy I be here with the boy goat? You see that?
I'm gonna overeat tonight.
Alright.
Real Jamaican Sunday dinner.
One
Alright.
place the Jamaican named Pete's. Them sell the body spur what? Kev?
Me better than that. Me better than that, man.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
man.
The right amount of pepper is just
You might think enough nice. At 2 times them have to call me name. Kev. Yo, Mr. Man, when they say cook, me say what? You see, what my name again, Urel? Where you go?
Oh, you're not
Cook what?
talking about your
Yeah.
Yuri. Where's the vegetable? Yeah, go.
That's the NIQUE deal with the real Jamaican rare.
Yeah.
I
make drink for me and my husband.
Alright. Real Jamaican dinner
Sunday.
with family.
Sunday vibes.
Sunday vibes. You see me?
Yeah, eat this.
Yeah.
Mommy get the thing
Put it on the table.
frilling and put it
Oh,
cover it,
okay.
yeah. Cause me not done what them call it yet, you know.
Come show them the sizzle, baby. Show them the sizzle. Yeah.
Sizzle man is
Right on the top.
Sizzle man is
Yeah.
Ooh boy.
Yeah, people, so I get ready for eat. Here's my food. Look at that. Goat, fried fish, plantain, everything.
Am I wondering?
You gotta sit right here so next to me.
Yeah.
Next to your queen. So everybody, I get ready for eat. And we're gonna dive in. We're gonna have family time. So we'll get back to you guys once we're done eating.
So you don't show them a chef?
They know the chef. They watch the whole damn vlog.
Chef, babe. You only wash the rice. That's not a chefing thing.
We'll cook the rice.
What is a chef? Somebody who cook, right? Mama cooked the rice, so she's
No,
a chef.
wash the rice. Wash the
Only
rice.
wash?
Only wash and put in it and me scared because she did that.
It's too lie. Anyways, people, we're gonna eat and have family time. So
Yeah.
peace out.
Peace out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
See there? I need that, you know? You see me? Gotcha.
Belly bust.
Belly bust up.
My belly is
Belly
buster.
Gotcha. Everything clean.
Becky.
And me I take up this, so me I go show everything that clean. NIQUE a fight. Say, put on my food, yes, me don't need. You see?
Alright.
Right,
so,
Nikki?
Vlog, look.
Right.
So, vlog, look.
Oh.
So, David say my belly bust. So, guess what me say? My belly bust, sir.
For food with belly button. Button.
Yeah, peeps. That was another Sunday vibes.
My belly bust,
I'm
sir.
gonna be there now.
Well, it was a lovely evening,
Yeah,
lovely
I'm
dinner.
grown.
Of course.
Yes, I am grown. Grandma, what is this? It was in the chair.
Marvelous. In a run.
Yeah, something like Margaret.
In a run.
But it's not made out of like marble
You run?
material. Yes.
Marvelous.
Marble. Yeah, I asked him, like, yeah, conversation.
Yeah,
I think
peeps.
people come
We're there.